Hey, Coco. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if it's your first time here. Today I was day trading on Webull. I chose to paper trade. What are you doing? Today I chose to paper trade. I actually extracted my $25,000-ish account to put into some other investments. So right now I am just paper trading on Webull. I'm using the same strategy that I used in previous videos. This is just to build more confidence and before I start getting my money back into it. Today happened to be a really good day, up about almost $600. Trading only 2 different trades, and it took about 35 to 40 minutes to make that profit. So it wasn't too shabby. Let's go ahead and just hop in and watch how the trades all played out. Will you just chill?
Okay, so I'm in my first trade of the day. Ticker symbol ENPH. It was moving up here, has a lot of bullish momentum, but it's looking a little top heavy. It's oversold on the RSI indicator. MACD is showing it is pretty strong, but I'm thinking that there's going to be a pullback here coming soon. So let's see here what takes place. Because this is paper trading, it doesn't allow me to put a stop loss, so I would have my stop loss probably just around the $57 marker. Give it some room to breathe, maybe just above that. Alright, I shorted another 100 shares, so now I'm in a total position of 200 on the short side. Still showing some strength, but it's also still showing signs of slowing down. There's long upper wicks here. You have this big wolf candle over here, so I think we're going to start seeing a pullback. This one right here, this previous candle, was really kind of a good tell for me. It's just a very long upper wick, short lower body. It's a inverted hammer or a wolf candle, whatever you want to call it. It looks like it got rejected right around the $57 marker. So let's see now what's going to happen. It looked for a second like it was breaking out, but I believe it was just a fake breakout. Sucking a few more people before it turns. Scaled in another 100 shares, so now I'm in a total for 300 shares at $55.78. This might be the pullback that we were looking for. There's a nasty wolf candle. So let's see what happens here. So about 100 shares in the green there, probably for about or maybe $100 of profit. I still have 200 shares in there. There's that big drop that I was looking for. I had a buy order of 54.05. Didn't quite reach it though. Just bought 100 shares, so now I'm only down to shorting 100 shares remaining. It's been slowing down a little bit, so I might want to just consider getting out of this trade here soon. Okay, I just got out of the trade. Let's see here.
So the stock did continue to drop, and now it's even showing more signs of weakness, kind of going sideways a little here. The MACD looks like it's about to do a crossover. So I shorted a larger position of 500 shares at 52.13. So it's right about here. See if we can break down through that. All right, let's see if it's breaking down. So I just bought back 200 shares Sorry, I'm just thinking here. Okay, bought back 300 shares. Cool. I'm gonna let my last 100 shares now, because I just bought another 100 shares, just ride to see where that can go. So that little drop right there brought in some pretty dang good profits. So now that I'm right around here, I'll probably have a stop loss. I mean, if it breaks above this, I can see it easily coming to the VWAP, so I'll probably just stop it out right around, I guess right around the VWAP, which is this green line, the VWAP, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so I just bought my last 100 shares back there. I'm done for the day. It could probably, I mean, honestly, it could probably drop all the way down to this 50-day moving average. I just want to get out of the trade. It was a good day, so I'm up now $590, so almost $600 in just a matter of, I mean, they're about an hour today of trading, so not too bad.